106 species in genus Chamaedorea. July 15th. Chamaedorea, the parlor palm, defines July 15th. Chamaedorea symbolizes tranquility and poise. You bring peace to stressful situations, creating a sense of calm wherever you go. Like this indoor palm, you are graceful and comforting. My fascination with Chamaedorea palms. As an avid plant enthusiast, I've always been drawn to the unique beauty and diversity of palms. Among my favorites is the genus Chamaedorea, a group of fascinating palms native to the subtropical and tropical regions of the Americas. These palms belong to the Ericaceae family, often referred to as miniature palms or parlor palms, have captivated me with their elegance and adaptability, making them ideal companions for both indoor and outdoor spaces. Discovering the diversity of Chamaedorea. My journey into the world of Chamaedorea began with a single Chamaedorea elegans, commonly known as the Neanthe bella palm or parlor palm. Its graceful fronds and compact size made it a perfect addition to my home. However, as I delved deeper into this genus, I discovered a treasure trove of over 100 species, each with its own distinct characteristics and charm. From the slender, bamboo-like stems of Chamaedorea ceafrizii to the vibrant red fruits of Chamaedorea ernesti augusti, the diversity within this genus is truly remarkable. Some species, like Chamaedorea metallica, boast unique, metallic-hued leaves, while others, like Chamaedorea radicalis, exhibit a clustering growth habit, forming dense colonies. See full list at monsterholic.com. The allure of Chamaedorea. What draws me to Chamaedorea palms is their ability to bring a touch of the tropics into any environment. Their graceful forms and lush foliage evoke a sense of tranquility and serenity, transforming any space into a personal oasis. Moreover, Chamaedorea palms are relatively easy to care for, making them suitable for even novice plant enthusiasts. They thrive in well-draining soil and prefer bright, indirect light. With regular watering and occasional fertilization, these palms can flourish for years, bringing lasting beauty to their surroundings. Chamaedorea in the wild and in cultivation. In their natural habitat, Chamaedorea palms play a crucial role in the rainforest ecosystem. They provide shelter and food for various animals, including birds, insects, and mammals. Their fruits are an important food source for many species, contributing to the biodiversity of these vital ecosystems. In cultivation, Chamaedorea palms are valued for their ornamental beauty and adaptability. They are widely used in landscaping, adding a touch of tropical elegance to gardens, patios, and balconies. Their compact size and tolerance for low-light conditions also make them ideal for indoor cultivation, bringing a touch of nature into homes and offices. Conservation efforts. Despite their popularity, some Chamaedorea species are facing threats in their natural habitats due to deforestation and habitat loss. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect these valuable palms and ensure their survival for future generations. Organizations like the International Palm Society are dedicated to the study and conservation of palms, including Chamaedorea. Their efforts focus on raising awareness about the importance of palm conservation and supporting research initiatives to protect these vital plants. My continued exploration. As I continue to explore the world of Chamaedorea, I am constantly amazed by the diversity and beauty of these palms. Each new species I encounter adds to my appreciation for this fascinating genus. I am committed to learning more about Chamaedorea palms, their cultivation, and their role in the ecosystem. I believe that by understanding and appreciating these remarkable plants, we can contribute to their conservation and ensure their continued presence in our world.